Hello friends, hope you have all enjoyed today's expiry. Nifty have already crossed 11,610 level. This is a very good news. Tomorrow I have mentioned about that Nifty should close above 11,610 level to be more bullish. But it is also good that Nifty have ultimately managed to make a close above 11,550 level. I think slowly market will make some more bullish rally in upcoming days. But if you want to double your money, if you want to earn good swing trade money, you should be selective about sectors. Maybe you are laughing at me, but I am constantly saying about selecting PSU bank and PSU sector. PSU sector like IOC, NTPC or PSU bank like you all know SBI, Bank of Baroda, PNB or mainly Canara Bank. So I have seen something. I have seen the space for PSU banks to grow more. In choosing sector, very much necessary for an investor who want to invest their money not in a rat race, who want to invest their money for years. They should be selective about choosing sector at right price. You should think about that. Which sector of the space to grow? Look at the PSU bank. Let's forget about the banking sector. Before 1.5 years, auto sector was at very dangerous stage. Maybe bottoming in auto sector have completed or more bottoming is possible. But I think that you should invest in bottoming. You should invest in book value of a stock. So many of the PSU sector have at their book value or maybe less than their book value, and many NBFC stock, many banking stock is at their book value level. Maybe they are from private, they are like private company, but you should be selective about bottoming of a sector. So I am several times saying that banking and NBFC have the space to grow more. It will definitely be bullish. By taking help of which sector, you should judge them. Then you should invest for years, minimum 2 to 3 years to get sophisticated return, to get much more return from your side. Then you can say, I have beaten the inflation, I have beaten the interest rate of bank, so I am successful investor. Another thing is that we are at lockdown 4, so not lockdown 4, we are at unlockdown 4. So be with present business model. Mall are already open to you all, and cinema hall is opening for general public. So stock like PVR, stock like Inox Leisure, or in mall side, stock like Future Retail or Future Consumer have the space to grow much more. Future Consumer or Future Retail, I am saying several times because they have the first in India to take mall culture in our country. So keep faith in these stocks. They have good business plan also, and I think enough is enough with coronavirus. And stock in chemical sector, stock in pharma sector, you should wait for little bit correction, then re-entry, because stocks like IOL, Laurus Lab have flourished much more. They have need some corrections. If you talk technically, if you talk fundamentally, nothing can be grow like a sky. They have the need to take some corrections. After that, re-entry is possible in chemical or pharma sector. Banking is very good option. And another thing is that stock like Voltas or stock like um, Blue Star, stock like Voltas or stock like Blue Star, those are very good options. They are bullish, and almost before winter session they can continue their rally because selling is going on. Somehow selling is going on because this is possible to purchase AC, purchase fridge at online basis, and those things very necessary for we all middle class and higher class people. Restaurants are open, so demand of those goods cannot be forgettable. And purchase stock which is very essential commodity. Look at the example of Nestle or Dabur. If Nestle company have risen their price 2 rupees per packet, you will stop eating Maggi? No. If stock like Dabur have increased their rate, you must take those products because those products are very essential product. Same example from my side to take ITC for long time investment, because ITC with investing very little money at commodity, ITC is mainly this business plan is very good company, and this business plan is based on main tobacco, but ITC have invested very few money to hotel business and commodity segment, FMCG segment. But look at your house, at my house, Mongoldeep Agarbati, or product like Neil from after Corona. This is a sanitizer to use for washing vegetables and fish or chicken. This is nothing but a product of vinegar. So lot of commodity product and the market chain have already captured by a giant company like ITC. So invest in ITC. They have already going to change their business model, because there are a lot of problems with selling tobacco constantly, environment crisis, and some environment agency, or you should have some kind of bad impact. You are selling tobacco. This is very anti-natural thing and harmful thing. So when we are talking about tobacco company ITC, why will not talk about wine companies? So look at the GST model which is coming. Very few states have decided that they will reduce tax on selling wine or foreign liquor. So for foreign liquor company, very good opportunity to invest. So those are all ideas. You should study, you should join my courses, you should think about selecting sector with proper education, you should go in library, you should watch daily journal, and as a calculative mind, as a wise investor, you should not predict, you should study about the growing sector, growing economy, then invest. What is my duty? To give you some idea. I am not here to give you all suggestions. Invest in this particular sector, invest in this stock for 6 years, you will get that kind of good return. You should be choosy, you should be much more study. After that you will be successful to make your money anytime you want. I will not say 5 times or 6 times. This is your responsibility, how much you want to earn from share market. This is nothing but to constant study and with a wise brain, how to raise your thinking how to raise your potential and where to begin. This will be taught from my side. Have a nice day and have a nice tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.